By the end of this video, you will know how to increase stop loss beyond 50% on eToro. Start from the main eToro interface and look to the left sidebar. There, click Portfolio. This takes you to the area where your open positions and holdings are listed. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until your portfolio is fully visible before you continue. You need to be in this section because the stop loss setting is adjusted from the position inside your portfolio, not from the general market view. Once you are in portfolio, find the asset that contains the position you want to change. Select that asset to open it. This will show the details related to that holding, including any individual positions connected to it. Take a moment here to make sure you are opening the correct asset, especially if you hold more than one position in similar instruments. After the asset is open, click the individual position that you want to modify. This opens the position settings where eToro displays the controls related to that trade. You are looking for the stop loss setting inside this panel. Opening the individual position is important because the stop loss change applies to that specific trade, not automatically to every position under the same asset. When the position settings are visible, click the stop loss price field. This places the cursor in the field so you can change the current value. At this point, focus on the price itself rather than any percentage display, because the adjustment you are making is entered through the stop loss price field. Now enter a lower stop loss price, specifically one that goes below 50% of your original opening price. This is the key part of the process. You are reducing the stop loss price beyond the standard 50% level by manually entering a lower value. Make sure the number you enter reflects the change you want for that position before moving on. After entering the new price, review the value shown in the stop loss field. Confirm that it is the lower price you intended to set. Then click Update to apply the change to the position. eToro will process the adjustment and either accept the updated stop loss or reject it. If eToro rejects the value you entered, that means you have reached the minimum permitted stop loss for that specific position. In that case, the platform is not allowing a lower stop loss price for that trade, and the limit for that position has been met. If the update is accepted, then the new stop loss has been saved with the lower price you entered. Your eToro position now has an updated stop loss price below 50% when the platform permits it.